Just installed a fresh copy of Windows? Before you jump into your favorite game, let's optimize it by disabling unnecessary Windows services that can slow things down. We'll make sure your system is lean, clean, and ready for max FPS. First up, Windows search indexing can eat up a lot of your CPU and slow things down. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. Scroll down to Windows Search, double-click on it, and set its startup type to disabled. Click Stop to stop the service immediately. This stops Windows from indexing files in the background, freeing up system resources. Superfetch or SysMain can also take up CPU and memory, slowing down your game. In the same services window, look for SysMain. Double-click it, set the startup type to disabled, and hit Stop. This service is meant to preload apps into RAM, but it can cause issues while gaming. If you don't use a printer often, this service can be safely disabled. Find Print Spooler in the services list. Double-click it, set startup type to disabled, and click Stop. It won't affect your gameplay at all, but can save resources. Windows Update can sometimes run in the background, slowing things down during a game. Go to Settings, Update, and Security, Windows Update. Click Pause Updates for a while. Note: don't forget to enable updates later to keep your system secure. Many apps run with Windows in startup, using up CPU and memory. Let's disable them. Go to Settings, Apps, Startup. Disable any apps that you don't need running all the time. This will ensure that only the necessary apps are using resources. Remote Desktop is another unnecessary service when gaming. In services.msc, look for Remote Desktop Services. Set the startup type to disabled and stop the service. This won't affect your system's gaming performance in the slightest. And there you go. Disabling these services should help improve your FPS and reduce stuttering in games. If this helped, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more tips to optimize your system. Happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next one.